Hello devs, so today we're gonna implement the time entry form and add it to database. So we already have the categories, and let's build this form and make it functional. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have the categories, but they're not applying the colors of the category in the background. So let's start it from there, and in the card let's change colors to card default, colors dot copy, and the container color, it's going to be color of category dot color, and we need the default color because can be no, and we're gonna add the purple. So as you can see, I think the black is difficult to see in here, but we don't decide if the text will going to be white or black. We let the Kotlin do that work for us. So in our utils, let's see, let's open the file and module. I want module, domain, exactly util. Let's add it in here a Kotlin class file called utils. Gonna be a file for now, and gonna create a function in here. So fun calculate text color. This will receive a color, going to be a oolong, just for maybe receive the color, and returns another color. So this we need to the variables. We need to check the white context and the white context. So calculate context. We're gonna put color dot white and pass our color. So let's see, is needed 2 ints, and the color we are using returns to long. So how can we solve this? How can we convert compose colors to compose long color to int? So as you can see, it's suggesting to our HGB. So let's try that. So remove this, import the other color, Android graphics, call it white. This color gonna change to int. So now black contrast to the same but for the black one. So return if white contrast is bigger than black. Return white, else return black. So let's try to convert this to our type of colors we need. So in here, content color. No, it's not good. In here, content color, tools. So calculate text color. Need to import. Then we move this to, let's see. Not that. Android colors, graphic colors to RGB. So it's not working. To RGBs, compose, UI graphics. Why is not working? Okay, because it's long and not a color. We need to convert. So let's try to do that in the top. Val container color equals to color. Let's copy this. Container color and then container color. Now we can import this. Okay, and now we need to do the same, the opposite. So convert this to compose color. So let's do that. Let's do some change and not need to convert this again. So in here, let's create color from compose and return in here. This one dot white and the same for black. Okay, and now, okay, it's not complaining anymore. As in, you can see, the white is better in this case, but we can, let's see, fake data, it's purple. Let's change this to green and see what happens. It's the same, maybe because it's too bright, so everyone, no, golden is black. Okay, this is done. We have the container color, the content color. We now need a selected state. So it's selected. It's a poem and by default is false. And need the one click, yes. So in the modifier, the card doesn't have the onClick method. Yes, it doesn't have. We have to pass it in the modifier. So clickable, onClick, and if it's selected, let's see, we change the border of the card. I don't know. That looks fine for me. Let's try that. So let's see how card colors are. So disable no. Okay, I think it's in on the shape. No, border stroke. Okay. There is a border, so border. The same. Let's see, card defaults. No. Okay. Border stroke. I don't know how to implement it, so let's try that. Width and color. Okay. Width going to be 1 dp, maybe more, and black. So let's change this. So maybe 4 dp. Let's see. Refresh, and in here we need if is selected, color.green, else color.black. Maybe 4 is too much. Okay, let's try. Is selected equals to true. Okay, I think it should be fine. Let's see. So now, If we run the app again, we should see some changes. Okay, the app crashed. Let's find out find why. So only vector drawables as restored assets types are supported. I don't understand why. Category icon. Let's try to delete the application and start it again. Just for now. And then try to understand if this happens again. Okay. Let's close and open the app again. See if crashes. I don't understand what happens, but it's what it is. So let's try then now to implement the selected state. Is not in here. So time entry screen. Okay. Item category is selected. Okay, let's see. Yes, and on click on category selected. Okay. In this on category selected, in the view model, update. Okay, should work fine. Okay, when select, it works just as intended. I don't like the green. I think you can improve that, but let's leave it for now and do all the. Let's check everything. Title, it's okay. Okay, we only need to implement one save quicket. So let's do that. Let's create a use case. So close the app and create a new Kotlin class file. It's going to be insert time entry. I think we can do insert or update in the same use case. I think it's better. So as you can see, we do almost the same. So in here we need private var time report repository, imported, and a dispatcher. suspend operator fun. We need the operator. Also invoke with context dispatcher.io time entry repository. So what we need in here, we need a time entry. It's going to be a class. Yes, import. And if time entry dot id is no, not no, we need in here equals to 0. Wrong. So we don't have insert, we have save. Okay, we need to add in here also. So suspend fun, save or insert, whatever, time entry and update. So now we need to update the implementation, and we do database, time entry down, save time entry to database. And in the update, we first time entry entity equals to database time entry down get by id time entry dot id. Start date time and date time. And database update. I think I don't need to do all of these. Let's try not to do all of these and see what happens. Time entry to database. So now dot insert time entry. So if we passed the ID to 0, we're gonna insert it. If not, we're gonna update it. Now we need to add this to our dependency injection. So in the domain module, we need to insert or update time entry. Okay, and now in our view model, We need to add this also. Let's remove this test. We don't need this anymore, and on save click we do view model scope dot launch, create a time entry, yes, category, import this. So category selected is a category, okay, it's not, and date time. So this is string. Okay, but we receive a date. So let's save that in private. Selected start date. And date. And now when you do that changes, we do the same. So selected start date equals to action start time. Do the same for the end time. Selected start date and selected end date. So in here, let's just finish that, and I go okay. Okay, let's add to the state. Oof. Navigate back. It's not a state, it's an action. So we need to add that. So when we finish the insert, we want to go back, and to do that, we need events. So private val events equals to channel. Okay, and for this we need to create a new Kotlin class file. It's going to be a sealed class. So the time of entry on event. Let's change this to sealed class. Why you do that? Okay, and add data class, navigate. Time entry form event. So this need uh, to tell what the destination, and for that we need another silhouette class. So time entry for destination, silhouette class, and for now just to go back in here, val destination, time entry for destination, yes, and in here time entry form event, and val events receive as flow. So this now we need to add on screen. Where is our screen? It's not in here anymore. So, oh, there it goes. So in here with the view model, view events dot correct. So this needs to be in the quarantine to launch it. Effect, and then everything it's okay. We can do it this. So now to navigate back, we need in here to add our nav controller, Nav control, and now we can in here nav controller navigate up. Okay, so that it's almost done. We need now to do some verifications in here. Selected start date equals to null. I don't. And we need to tell the user that it's not selecting the dates. So to do that, we're gonna send also an event. So view model scope.launch not navigate. Let's create a new event that will be data class show error val error. It's going to be of type I don't create it yet, so time entry form error. Okay. Just only missing the data. Show error still missing in here. And the error will be start empty date. Do the same for the end date and do the same for the selected category. So private var selected category and when select the category we need to change this and set our category. Okay. Now in here send go back. We also can show a success error, a success message, not error. Success error. That's good. Data object show success. Okay. Let's remove this import. And also show the success. So now in our screen we need to implement all of these. When event.error and implement. Let's create the toast. So toast dot make text. We need a context. So val context. Click local context dot current. Okay. Context message. Okay. Okay, let's see if everything is building and working as expected. So okay, if we click in here, nothing happens. So let's see. We miss this. So an action and save click it. Here again. If we click it, start date is empty. So let's fill it up. Start date, confirm. Okay. The end date is empty. Confirm. Category is empty. Okay, let's select work. Success. So let's see in our database if it's adding correctly. And there it is. Okay, everything worked as expected. So for this video, it's all. In the next video, we can get all the data and start the filtering in these buttons. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, follow me on Twitch, on YouTube, and see you on the next video.